Good morning. I just want to show you all the 6 boards that I made. I've only been making these for 3 weeks, and I know the lighting's bad, and you're probably getting sick of seeing all my pictures of my my butcher blocks that I'm making, but I'm putting this out there anyway. This is the first one I did 3 weeks ago, first one ever, and these are in order and how I made them. So I started off with that, learned how to make them, and then progressed to the rest of these. As you can see, well, in my opinion, I think I'm doing a really good job. And again, I know the lighting's bad. And these last 2 I finished yesterday, if you guys recall the pictures, and I just put some more oil on, another coat of oil. And when you oil these, believe it or not, these things, even though they're real hardwoods, the oil, when I do the tops, will actually, after about 4 or 5 coats of it, will actually filter all the way through to the bottom. So once I see that, then I flip them over, re-oil them again, and then I seal them with oil and beeswax. So these are done, and I will be making these after Christmas. Every pattern, everything's going to be completely different. So I'm not selling anything until I actually make it. So that way, when you see them and you say, "Hey, I want that one," that'll be the actual one you get. But not bad. I think not bad for my first time. So, as I said before, these are all going out as Christmas presents. My family's my guinea pigs for for all of this. Now, I did make matching cheese trays and matching serving trays, which there's 3 more cheese trays gluing up in the shop right now, and I'm finishing up the serving trays as well today. So they'll all be a matching set of all 3. So, I don't know if you guys are interested. Give me your opinion. What do you think? Again, for my first time making butcher blocks, I know I'm kick-ass at building tiki bars, but never did butcher blocks before. So it's a long process from start to finish. It's a lot of work, but the outcome is awesome. So my 2 favorites, tell me what your favorites are. My 2 favorite is this one that I finished yesterday and this one here. Those are my favorites. But again, I made them all, so I like them all. See, get a little overhead shot there. You can get a better idea of the greens. It's hard to see in this lighting, but here's some of the greens in this one. This one is all cherry that I made. This one's really cool because I took a bunch of the scrap wood from all these, and there's 6 different hardwoods in this one. So, and you can see all the color variations of all the different woods. Let me see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's 6 different woods in this one. So this one's really cool. Patty's trying to keep this here at the house, but I'm not having any parts of that. What's that? Yes, I am. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys like what you see, and again, I'll be making more. And I'll be posting pictures of the cheese trays and the serving trays once they're done. So if you have a nice comment, please leave it. If not, don't. All right. From the Tiki Kev household, Tiki Kev out.